All about Aira! Hi everybody, I'm Aira and today we're going to do a volcano. Let's kill it! Now I'm going to make it appear. Surprise! Now we're going to open it, guys. There's a lot of stuff in there. There's a giant box, so let's see what's in it. Wow, that's so cool. I want to use these paints today, guys. Remember, be safe with scissors. I have everything I need. Let's do this. We have to read the directions. The first step is to put the squares on. Now we're gonna have to stick it together. This good, guys. Now we're gonna use this and this. So let's open this, guys. Now we're gonna put some tape on the white parts, guys. It's time to stick the tape right here. Leave a little space so we could stick it on the circle. Now we're gonna put the volcano on the circle, guys. We're gonna cut this into strips. One strip. Looks good. Now that we got our strips, we're gonna put them in the water and put them on our volcano. Put it on there. It sticks great, guys. It's supposed to cover the whole thing. And let's keep on going. Don't make the cardboard too wet, it might break. Turn it around so you guys can see how we did it. We're going to use the blow dryer to dry our volcano. Always remember to call a grown-up so you can use a blow dryer. This is all the colors we have, guys. We have red, yellow, orange, brown, and another brown. We're going to do brown first, guys. This is so cool. Wow. Just stick it on there, we'll keep on going. Brown is so cool. We're gonna do other colors too. I'm gonna use orange and yellow, guys. So let's scoop this up to me and then we'll start painting. It's good, then I'll paint a little bit of yellow on it. Use a little bit of yellow. It looks cool, it looks like a real volcano. Make like an exploder. That would be so cool. We're using all the red so we could get a good volcano for this. There, we're doing great, guys. Look, it looks like a real volcano. We're gonna let it dry and make it explode tomorrow. It's dry, everybody, so now it's time to make it explode. First, we're going to use a teaspoon for this. This should be good, guys. And let's put in the volcano. We're going to use some baking soda in a teaspoon. We don't want to make a mess, so it's close. Now we're going to drop some food coloring, guys. Let's start with yellow first. That should be enough. Now we're going to add some water, guys. We shouldn't miss anything. Wow, so cool. Are you guys ready? sugar. Look, a lot of fish. Woo! I like the little bubbles. Look! A lot of bubbles. That should be enough. A little bit more. I think it's gonna explode. Wow, green. Wow. More water coming out. That was dark green. Can you give me some more? Wow, it's turned dark green. It's cool green. It's a cool green, guys. That is cool. Look, it's getting even faster, and I like that green. They made the best green ever. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.
Magnificent. If you don't want to miss out on all the fun, subscribe to Starlic Kids.
Starlic Kids.